Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix GCash app auto-back problem. Having issues with your GCash app automatically backing out? Let's fix that. First, check if your developer mode is turned on, as this can cause the app to close unexpectedly. To disable it, go to your phone settings, open additional settings or developer options, and toggle it off. Once done, reopen GCash and see if it's working fine. If it still auto-backs, make sure your GCash app is updated by going to the Play Store, search for GCash, and tapping Update if needed. Next, go to your phone's app settings, look for GCash, and clear its cache. If that doesn't solve it, try switching your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to data or vice versa, and check if the issue continues. You can also reinstall the app, and don't worry, your account details will stay safe as long as it's verified. As a final step, restart your phone to refresh the system. If none of this works, try contacting GCash support through their in-app help center for more specific assistance. This step should help your GCash app run smoothly again in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.